Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to update your HY300 projector. First, power on your HY300 projector. Make sure it is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A reliable connection is important because updates are downloaded from the internet. If your Wi-Fi is not connected, the projector will not be able to find the update. Next, using the remote control, open the settings menu. You can usually find this in the main screen or home menu. Navigate through the options until you locate the system or device section. Sometimes this is called About Device depending on your projector's model. Once you are in the System or About Device section, look for an option called Software Update or Online Update. Select it. The projector will check online for the latest firmware version. If a new version is available, it will show a prompt to download and install the update. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The update may take several minutes. During this time, do not turn off the projector or unplug it. Interrupting the update can cause problems with the system and may require technical support to fix. After the update is complete, the projector may restart automatically. This confirms that the update was successful. Thanks for watching.